What happened was my business is now 3.5 years old, and we've realized from our analytics that the SEO is really important. So I wanted to learn more about that side of the business marketing. We've already got an established website. I just wanted to get some improvement out of the SEO. And there is a lot of potential to be working with them in the future. As I'm learning more and more about the back end, I think that it would be a good partnership to work with them going forward. So when you look up brew tours in St. Pete, we now fill the whole front page of Google. So it's pretty cool, just by making a few subtle changes that I've learned in these seminars. My top value is like a direct link to seeing improved SEO on my website for my business. Just learning about the back end of the website activity and all the changes that have been coming from Google. The value that I am seeing from attending these seminar lunch and learns is that Ben and Sarah are so on top of it, and there's so much more than I can personally do having a small business. There's a lot to it, and I know I have a lot on my plate as the owner of a small business. It's not something I want to take on, and it would make sense to give that part to someone who's an expert in it, like Ben and Sarah at Cyberlicious.